Old scanned documents often become blurry, damaged, or difficult to read. Now you can restore and clean them automatically with AI and make them look fresh again in just a few seconds. To get started, open any browser and search for Grok AI. Open the website and access the AI chat section. Now tap on the plus icon and click on the Upload Files option. Select the scanned document you want to restore and upload it. Once your file is uploaded, write a detailed prompt explaining what you want to improve in your document. You can ask AI to remove noise, fix quality, improve clarity, restore damaged areas, or make the document look cleaner. After writing your prompt, simply click on the Submit button and wait for a few seconds. The AI will analyze your scanned file and automatically enhance it, making your old document look cleaner and more readable. Once the restoration is complete, you can preview the result and easily download the improved document. Now you can restore old scans, important files, and damaged documents for free without using complicated editing software.